So we're going to be trying this ramen today. We're going to be trying the curry soup.
Hello guys and welcome. Today we're going to be trying a review on some cool stuff. Let's go!
Alright, so Josh is making the soup right now. And oh, that's spicy. Oh, this one smells good.
Oh god.
This smells good.
It's kind of strong.
The curry soup smells really good. Look, smell it. It smells good.
Did you open it all the way?
Not all the way.
It smells like curry.
It smells good.
Stay with
Let it
these.
sit.
Yum.
The noodles are black. I don't know if you can see it. While we wait, we're going to try these chips. Right?
Chippies. Chippy mama. Chippies.
They're really good.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
It's like a churro
Or something else.
with like
Wait,
what's that cereal?
That's the size right there. Do you like them?
They're good.
They're good.
They're pretty good. They're nice and sweet.
I want to eat a lot of this. What's this? What's this sweet too?
Oh! I know what it is. It's this.
Cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
Right there. Like, they do taste like cinnamon rolls. Wow.
Oh,
What
God.
happened? It smells like,
Like butt.
it smells weird. They're nice and crispy.
Oh, that smells like frying.
Okay, so this is how they look. They taste kind of like a funnel cake.
It says if you're in the
Above?
yeah. And then all you put is pure
Oh,
dark.
you can smell it. Look, smell this. You can smell it.
It smells.
You know that
Mommy.
these actually taste similar to these, but these are more crispier and those
This
are
has
harder.
more cinnamon.
And that's harder.
That's just pure honey.
That's how it looks, the sauce packet. And you drain the water. Alright, so here's the noodles. Alright. They're all black, look like worms. Alright, there we go. Ghost pepper, spicy chicken. Here we go. No broth, no nothing.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright, who's going first? You or me? Yeah, this smells good though.
There we
Don't
go.
bite so much. What if you start choking? What if I get the milk real quick?
Okay, here I go. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Holy crap.
Drink some. Oh my god, stop. You're...
That's spicy.
Okay.
I'm still spicy. I would recommend this a little bit.
But I like spicy food, like Mexican food, like chile. Is it like chile? Like chile verde, chile rojo?
No, no.
Chile rojo?
Look, I'm crying. It's
For real.
spicy.
I don't know if I want to do it now.
My lips are on fire. My tongue's on fire.
You're playing.
I swear to God, what do you think? Look at my eye.
Okay, I told you. Is it chile rojo spicy or chile
It's
verde?
like chile rojo 500 times.
Oh shit. All right, we're gonna go for it. I'm going to try it. All right. I'm gonna try a little bit because I don't want to look like Josh.
What? I
Go
look
finish the
good.
milk. Ooh, it smells spicy. You're scaring me. I should have gone first.
Mm-hmm.
But you took a big bite. Oh my god.
Mine did that.
I don't want to do it. Look, I'm already
Nice,
getting
give me some
red.
more milk.
I'm already getting red. It's hot in here. Alright, I'm going for it. Is it like Tabasco sauce, sriracha?
Dude, it's not even close to that stuff.
Here, here, here.
Alright, it's going away now.
Oh my god!
You bit it? That was like the littlest bite ever.
I did not bite it. I put my tongue on the noodle.
Oh, don't put the tongue.
Oh, the tip of my tongue is like numb.
That's what she said.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do it for you guys, pero it is spicy. It's really spicy.
But you know.
Alright.
Get this off of my beard. Or I get some later.
Oh shit, I don't know how I'm letting that go down my throat.
That's what she said.
Oh, it's hot, it's sweaty. Oh my god, it's spicy.
Ghost
Put some
pepper?
more.
A ghost pepper?
That's what it is. It's ghost pepper.
Is it like,
Oh my
a
god,
ghost
it
pepper?
is spicy.
Is it a ghost pepper? Is it a ghost pepper?
I'm gonna tell you guys, don't try this at home. Alright? Parents, if you see your kids buying this,
Throw it
watch
in the
out.
trash.
Throw it in the trash for them.
Bury
Do
it.
them a favor.
Send it back to the devil.
If they're being bad, give them that. If they're saying bad words, give them that. They'll never say a bad word again. Oh, my tongue is like numb.
Our booty holes are gonna regret this.
Stop saying that.
Everything gone.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even want to eat anything. And the whole outside of my mouth is like burning.
Yeah, I know. It stays.
It's like, I feel like my lips got like, así como like, really big.
You got Botox.
I got Botox for free. Alright, Leo's gonna try some. Alright, let's turn it to
Stop
Leo.
it.
Honestly, what do you think?
If it tastes good, tastes good. If it don't taste good, don't taste good.
What does it taste like to you? I'm gonna try
Tastes like,
chicken.
no, it tastes like soup mixed with chips.
What kind of chips? Doritos? Cheetos?
Doritos.
Really?
Oh.
I wanna
Like
try
they like they just like sprinkle it in the.
some. Alright, I'm gonna try some. Alright, so the winner was the
I
curry
don't think nobody won
soup.
here.
I got boogers and everything. Alright, that's it for today's review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to check these out for you and your family, I'll put them down in the description below. Like I said, I will be putting all that information down below. Check out my other videos with the other reviews I do, you know, with food and everything. I'll see you on the next one. Be yourself and stay true to yourself. Peace. Bye. See ya. Where's your donut, Leo? Where's your donut? Oh, let us go. Oh. You can always edit.
Yeah.
This is really hot.
Don't burn yourself.
I know. Necesitas salsita verde.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. That's good. Stop. Yeah.